How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. Hope you're all well. We're back with another Kaspa update, and the bulls unfortunately did not manage to invalidate further downside for Kaspa. Again, as I've been suggesting, I am still maintaining bearish below 51900, and at least in the short term, if we manage to push through the zero point 0.5 Fibonacci, we would have at least been given this chance to get up there. However, while we are still beneath the 0.5 Fibonacci, you are yet to invalidate these targets. Yes, it's true that if we got above it over here, in the short term you invalidate those, but I still maintain bearish underneath this, as that would be considered a lower high. We would be underneath this peak that we had back in August over here. And so you just eventually come down, maybe you come back to the support dead cat bounce and continue low. That is if we reclaim the 0.5. I was already showing you this case yesterday, the last few days actually. But we can see that the bulls did not have the strength to push price and close and confirm this as support. And so for that reason, all it was is a bearish retest of this double top neckline over here. It was also where the reversal wave was created as we lost the 200 EMA. And all that was essentially happening as after I called for this bullish divergence and giving you the target over here. I'm hopeful that you guys took this trade. And from this point over here, we have failed to reclaim it. And with that, we keep these targets to the downside at 3.9 and 4 cents valid. The only way to go ahead and invalidate it for at least the short term is a reclaim of here. And then you need to tackle this point over here of 51900. And that is the only way for me to flip bullish. Now let's find the supports in which Kaspa could actually get bounces from to go on that path back up to there. We are actually in fact there right now. So we would then need a reclaim of this to get up there, but again, stay below this, you would eventually lose it again and come crashing back down to these targets. It's of my opinion that maybe we get a bounce, which is a dead cat bounce, and then roll over. I'm going to now show you the levels of support that I'm anticipating over the coming days. And we can see over here where there was previous resistance and support with this beautiful wick over here that gave us that opportunity to invalidate these downward targets. That is where Kaspa is, I nearly said quant, Kaspa is calling for, if we now, again, after finding support right over here with a newly formed 4-hour bullish cross, we have that opportunity to invalidate those targets. But again, it's likelier that we roll over from here and come down to 4.3 and 4.4 cents over here. At that point, we could then do another dead cat bounce and then eventually roll over back down to these, which is a key level of support where we probably have another bounce. And if it fails, then we continue down to those targets that we've been suggesting. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget, I have a discount until the end of the month on my course that is down to £100. If we quickly go over to my Twitter over here, we go to my profile. It is the pinned post. It's just a bit more details on what to expect. You will get 3 months free in my Discord community. Within that, we do weekly group calls. So if you go and join, you're going to get and join into those calls. You'll get a minimum of 12, a maximum of 24 group mentorship calls. Again, where I personally guide you how to trade and the signals that you are looking for. So if this criteria is not fulfilled, we're not essentially trading. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Message me on Twitter if you want to find out more about this, to give this a read. And yeah, you can personally message me here for the discount code. Otherwise, go straight to the website. The discount is now applied. All you need to do is click the links in the description down below. Go over to the website and take action before the end of the month if you want this discount. Cheers, everyone.